In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate GitHub with Trello. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to streamline your workflow and have all of your project management tools working together seamlessly. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log in to your Trello account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the specific Trello board that you wish to integrate with GitHub. This is your starting point where you'll bring in all the extra functionality. On this board, look for the option to Show Menu. You'll typically find this on the right side of your screen. Clicking on Show Menu will expand a panel where you should be able to see various options. Look for Power-Ups, which is Trello's way of letting you enhance its capabilities with third-party apps. Click on Power-Ups, and you'll enter a new window that allows you to search for different integrations. In the search bar, type in GitHub. You'll see GitHub pop up as an option. Click Add to start the process of integrating it with your Trello board. This step is crucial because it enables communication between your Trello board and your GitHub repositories. Once it's added, you'll see a gear icon appear on the GitHub Power-Up you just installed. Click on this gear icon. It represents the settings for this integration. From here, you'll want to select Authorize Account. This is a pivotal step, as it will allow Trello to access your GitHub information. Follow the prompts that appear on the screen. They'll guide you through the process of linking your GitHub account to your Trello account. Ensure that you're logged in to the correct GitHub account before authorizing. Now that your accounts are linked, you can start maximizing the potential of this integration. Within the GitHub Power-Up settings, you'll have the ability to link specific GitHub repositories to your Trello board. This is where things get exciting. By linking your repositories, you can have live updates of your GitHub activities directly within Trello. This feature allows you to view essential metrics such as pull requests, issues, and commits right on your Trello cards. Visualizing this data in one place can significantly enhance your team's workflow and keep everyone on the same page. With these insights, you can manage your projects much more efficiently, maintaining a steady flow of information between your development and management tools. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated GitHub with Trello, creating a powerful synergy that can help streamline your project management process. Whether you're working solo or with a team, this integration offers a clearer view of your projects and keeps your tasks more organized. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the enhanced productivity that this integration brings to your operations.